So if we lose power this weekend, I was actually thinking about this. What's another way that I could light up my gas fireplace? So I thought this might help someone else too. So when you open up your decorative screen, and it's all the way down under like this, you just pull it up. You're gonna have a battery pack underneath here, like so. You pull that out. Mine had 1.5 volts in there, so that way if the power goes out, I could light up my fireplace that way. And there we go. We have power now. All right. Hope y'all stay safe, stay warm. Let me know if you need any help.